Have you ever wondered why Kegel exercises aren't just for women, but for men too? Let's delve into the world of Kegel exercises. For men, these exercises are a game changer. They strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which play a pivotal role in bladder control and sexual performance. Understanding the anatomy involved in Kegel exercises can help you appreciate their importance. So, why should men bother with Kegel exercises? Because they can enhance your life in ways you might not have imagined. Now that we've established why Kegel exercises are crucial for men, it's time to dive into the how-to. Mastering Kegel exercises involves 3 basic steps: finding the right muscles, perfecting the technique, and maintaining your practice. Let's start with finding the right muscles. These are your pelvic floor muscles, which you may not be familiar with. To pinpoint them, imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine or prevent passing gas. That squeeze and lift feeling? That's your pelvic floor muscles at work. Next, we move on to perfecting the technique. Once you've identified your pelvic floor muscles, try contracting them for 5 seconds, then relaxing for another 5. Keep your focus on these muscles and try not to flex your abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. Also, avoid holding your breath. Instead, breathe freely during the exercises. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Now, we can't stress enough the importance of maintaining your practice. Consistency is key. Aim to do Kegel exercises at least 3 times a day. You can do them while sitting at your desk, watching TV, or even waiting at a traffic light. They're discreet, no one will know you're doing them. Over time, you should start to notice improvements like better bladder control or enhanced sexual performance. But remember, these improvements won't happen overnight. It takes time and patience to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to Kegel exercises. The more you do them, the better the results. So, what's in it for you? Why should you consider incorporating Kegel exercises into your routine? Well, the benefits of these simple yet effective exercises are manifold. First off, they can significantly improve your bladder control. How? By strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, Kegel exercises can help you manage or even prevent urinary incontinence, a common issue many men face as they age. Secondly, let's talk about sexual performance. Regular Kegel exercises can enhance erectile function and lead to more intense orgasms. How? They improve blood flow to the pelvic region and help you gain better control over your pelvic muscles. Lastly, these exercises can potentially prevent pelvic floor disorders, including pelvic organ prolapse. This is a condition where the pelvic organs drop due to weakness or damage to the pelvic muscles. With so many benefits to reap, there's no reason not to give Kegel exercises a try. Start today and feel the difference for yourself.